lockdown is going on and on unlockdown also going on, but we the teachers and students are still are working from home, and in during this pandemic we are facing different difficulties. But I must say that this is the time when many teachers and research scholars are enrich themselves through attending this type of workshops. And this workshop is organized by our teacher of computer science department of our college. And most important thing is this is our fourth webinar on different subjects. I have seen that different teachers and scholars, mainly teachers all over India, they join this webinar. So this is the platform where we extend our hand all over, at least all over India, and for some international also. So though we are facing problem with Amphan and Corona, we try to engage ourselves. So this type of seminar has many fold utilities. One is we are enriching ourselves. Second is we want to extend our hands to Corona and Amphan affected people, because when we know that we take some charges, registration fees. So keeping in mind that uh, exclusive, not it is not exclusive for our college, it is exclusively for some other expenses. Especially we join our hands with the victim people through Maharaj. We have talked to them, and this type of workshop, mainly workshop where our special um, guest or resource person like Professor Boidyanath Pal or Professor Abhijit Korgupto, they extend their hands or they extend their help to us for organizing this seminar or this workshop. And we also try to extend this teaching from the teachers to the students, because this is a very we are standing in a turning point. The technology is changing very fast. Teachers are mostly engaged in giving the lesson plan to the college and other duties. So they are doing their duties from the home, they are extending their lesson plan from home, but at the same time they are utilizing this time for enriching themselves. So the teachers who are from different parts of West Bengal and also are outside West Bengal, I again welcome them on behalf of East Calcutta Girls College. And we are very fortunate that you join us, and we can do this. And I hope that this type of workshop will be successful, and we can do better and better for future, because this is not only the problem of pandemic period. I think that this is a situation when students who are the now large number of students in India who will not be able to go to the school or college, they can get their teaching or their education through online teaching. And sometimes we may arrange our teaching, keeping the students a distance, maintaining social distancing. Some students may come to the college, someone may not come, they will get their teaching. So this is also a good practice, that we are getting lesson from the teachers for different resource person online. Also we are preparing ourselves for the future, for any kind kind of difficulties when we will face or we are facing now. So education won't stop. We will not stop. We will do. We will overcome. And I wish every success of this workshop like before. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I now it is over to Atanu Dattokhan. I request Atanu to check that every participants they
No,
are
madam.
able to
One
install
one
it.
participant
Yeah.
one participant is waiting till I am sending her the ID.
Okay. And I again request you also to check that Dr. Pal last night request me to ask the participants to install free version of SPSS, and he will do online means hands-on training of SPSS. So please check them, and Dr. Pal will join very soon.
Uh, he is with us, madam.
Oh, he's here.
Yes, yes. Professor Pal is
Okay.
with us.
Okay, okay.
Sir is here.
So I must welcome especially Dr. Baidyanath Pal. And I say all participants that he is from Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, and he has an immense experience of teaching these SPSS. And I give it over to Panchali, our coordinator, IQAC, to say something about our workshop.
Yes. Thank you, madam. Now it's the really the initiative of Madam and Otunu that we are going to organize this kind of workshop. Initially, we won't think that when the first workshop we started, we won't think that there will be such a good response. But after that, when we have completed that workshop, we see that a huge number of responses are coming from different sites and from different subjects to learn this type of workshop. And here in the last workshop we ended with Professor Abhijit Kargupta, and in this workshop we have with us Professor Baidyanath Pal, Associate Scientist, A, Biological Anthropology Unit, Indian Statistical Institute. One thing I want to say here that we are already organizing some workshops for the school children with security and cryptology so that the school children can learn maths at, at their ease, and they can have a interest in learning mathematics. Professor Bimal Babu is with us. He frequently came to our college and organized these type of workshops, and we have a huge response from all the school children. We have just completed almost 2.5 years of this workshop. Madam can say that very well. I can't say the exact tenure, but I think it's 2.5 years over. And now in this workshop we have with us Professor Baidyanath Pal sir, and he will here we have the topics covered: data entry, variable types, split and select file, weight cases, visual binning in SPSS. Now over to sir. Sir, please.
I request Atanu to mute all videos and audios of participants first, and then please and over to give over to Professor Pal. So it will be helpful for continuing that. There will be no disturbance. Only participants will chat if he or she has any problem or any questions. So it will be good. without any noise. Thank you very much.
স্যার আপনার ইয়েটা করুন, আনমিউট করুন স্যার। স্যার আনমিউট করুন স্যার।
কি করে দে না অতনু?
আমার এখান থেকে হবে না, ওখান থেকে স্যারকে করতে হবে।
ও স্যার এখন হচ্ছে স্যার নিচে
হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ আনমিউট করেছি, এবার শেয়ার করব তো স্ক্রিনটা।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
স্ক্রিন শেয়ারের ডেস্কটপটা তো এলো না, ডেস্কটপটা
আপনি ওকে করুন, শেয়ার স্ক্রিন করুন, শেয়ার স্ক্রিনে ক্লিক করুন, দিয়ে ওকে করুন।
শেয়ার করবো ওটা?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
নিচে আছে স্যার শেয়ার স্ক্রিন।
আসছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও,
এসছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা, at first I'm going to start SPSS. SPSS means Statistical Package for Social Sciences. Hello, is it audible? Hello?
হ্যাঁ yes sir, audible.
Okay. Statistical Package for Social Sciences. The some difference from the other packages. This package is very user friendly and easy to handle this one. Okay, so learning this package need knowledge some statistics, otherwise it is not suitable for you. Okay, so today is my first topic is just menu base. I am going to the menu base, then step by step analysis part. Okay, so first I open my data file. Is it clear? Now
স্যার আপনি ডেটা ফাইল ইয়ে হচ্ছে না, শো হচ্ছে না স্যার।
ওগুলো তো যাদেরকে দিয়েছি ওরা তার নিজে নিজে খুলবে ওগুলো।
না না ডেটা, হ্যাঁ এবার শো হয়েছে স্যার, শো হয়েছে।
হয়েছে, দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার যাচ্ছে স্যার, যাচ্ছে।
ওকে, আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট আমি হাউ টু এন্টার দ্য ডেটা। First step, how to enter the data. So I go to the file and here is new. So in the corresponding here data, I click this one. So you check this one. There is open worksheet and there is another worksheet also below, variable view. So when I open the SPSS file, two files automatically open. One is data view, another is variable view. So what is the variable view and what is the data view? Variable view means you enter your variable according to your schedule. According to your schedule, you enter the variable and then automatically come here, the variable names here, and you enter the data. This is like workshop, SPS Excel worksheet, you maybe know. So first I go to the variable view. How to enter, how to format our data variables. First here, you check here, name, type, width, decimal, label, values, missing, column, align, so many things here. So name means here, identify the variable name. Is it clear? So first I write here, when you collect the data, any individual or any subject, you mention your ID number 1. Is it clear? So I put here ID NO. That means identification number. And this length maximum 8 character, no blank is there. Is it clear? Then types. Variable types. Do you know how many types of variables? Anybody, anyone from the audience? Type of variables? Hello? Atanu? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলুন।
বলছি কেউ আমায় কোশ্চেন করলে কেউ কি রেসপন্স করতে পারবে?
হ্যাঁ
আমি যদি কোশ্চেন করি,
হ্যাঁ চ্যাট করতে পারবে স্যার।
না কেউ মানে আমি ধরো বলছি, কেউ কি আমার কথাটা শুনে কেউ কোশ্চেন করতে উত্তর দিতে পারবে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার পারবে স্যার।
আচ্ছা, কেউ কি বলবে? আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছি। So check here. Variable types. There are so many options here. Numeric, comma, dot, scientific notation, date, dollar, customs, and string. Generally, we use here numeric and string. Numeric and string. So identification number. What should be what it is? Numeric or string? If you write the numeric number, then you click the numeric, and if you write this one alphanumeric, then you can write this one here, string. So I write here only numeric number. So with is 10 and decimal is 2. So decimal is required here. I put here 0. So okay. And label, I write here full name, label, identification number. Here is no values, missing value is not here. Column means, this column means indicate visible column. Alignment means left or right side. This is the scale measurement, like this way. This is my second variable. I write here name. Name. Name is a string variable. String means character. That is character. And mention how many characters required to write the name. So maybe in maximum 25. Okay. So that's why here is no decimal place. Okay. And no label is there. And automatically this is the nominal. And age. Age is another variable. So this is numeric. No decimal place is required here. Value is not required. This is scale value. And sex. Sex may be numeric or string variable. If I put here numeric, need code value 1 or 2. Okay. So I put here numeric and values here. 1 I mention here. 1 means male. Then add 2 means then add, then okay. This is also scale, that is not required. So 1, 2, 3, 4 variables I am mentioned here, and I write here height, HT, short name. This is also numeric. How many digit? Decimal place 2, and I write here full name, height. No value is there, that is scale also. And here weight, WT. This is also numeric, and I write here weight.
Sir,
here.
Please follow the chat. Someone is asking, Devdeep Bhattacharya asking for repetition of the last step. Sir, you can see in chat.
হ্যাঁ বুঝলাম না, বলো একটু।
আপনি ওই চ্যাটে দেখুন দেবদীপ ভট্টাচার্য বোধহয় আরেকটা স্টেপ কিছু মিস করেছেন, উনি জানতে চাইছেন।
আমার কাছে তো কিছু আসেনি,
চ্যাটে লেখা আছে।
চ্যাটে তো কি আমার স্ক্রিনতে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না ভাই?
হ্যাঁ, স্ক্রিনের তলায়।
আপনার স্যার উপর দিকে একটু উঠুন, দেখুন একটা চ্যাট বলে লেখা আছে। উপরে যান, হ্যাঁ উপরে চ্যাট বলে লেখা আছে।
হ্যাঁ এক মিনিট। উপরে স্টপ, মিউট, পার্টিসিপেন্ট, শেয়ার অর অ্যানোটেটেড
না নিচে থাকে।
ওটা ক্লিক করব নাকি?
হ্যাঁ চ্যাটটা ক্লিক করুন, চ্যাটটা দেখতে পাবেন।
ওই চ্যাটটা ওয়ানটা ক্লিক করব।
হ্যাঁ।
প্লিজ রিপিট দ্য লাস্ট স্টেপ স্যার। ও ওকে।
ওই সেক্স এর জায়গায় এখানে ভ্যালুটা জাস্ট পুট করলে ওটা একটু সাইড টু বলবেন।
ওকে অলরেডি আই হ্যাভ insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables. So weight is a continuous variable, that is numeric also, that is not string variable, that is not character. And required how many with required? Maximum 8. And how many decibel required? Maximum 2 decibels. And here I mention, I write here short form, and here I write here full form. Level means full form. Okay. And values, here is not required any values because they are a continuous variable. That's why so many values. So I don't put here any value. And missing is not here. And alignment is middle or left or right in the form like this way. And this is also scale value. This is also scale value. Here, sex is the nominal value. So have you idea about the nominal, ordinal, continuous, interval scale, ratio scale? I think you have some idea about this one.
Yes.
Okay. So I am not discussing. Any discussion regarding this one? Need?
No sir.
No sir. Okay. So I put here only 6 variable. Okay. And another is systolic blood pressure, SBP. This is also numeric, and this is not required decimal place. Systolic blood pressure. And the same thing. Okay, no problem. Is it clear? Suppose I have 6 variables in my data set, in my schedule. You have more than 6. You have maybe 60, maybe 100. You are accordingly you put here. Okay. Then go to the data view. Check here. First appear here in the worksheet. Data worksheet. ID number, name, age, sex, height, weight, SBP. Is it clear? So suppose you collect 100 or 200 or 300 individual from the fields, then you enter accordingly. So first identification, first individual, this one first individual, suppose ID number 01. name may be BN Pal. My name is BN Pal. Age may be 55. Sex 1. Why 1? Because I mentioned earlier 1 means male, 2 means female. If I write here male, take some time. If I write here female, take some time, then 1 and 2. So that's why I put here numeric. And you maybe know that when we analyze the data, always string variable convert to the numeric form. Okay. So height here 165.5 centimeter, weight 75.5 centimeter, and blood pressure 130. Is it clear? So I enter the first individual.
Weight become blank.
Yeah.
Weight becomes blank.
Oh, weight is blank. Yeah. Weight actual 75.5. Is it clear? Am I enter another thing? Another individual?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I put 2. Second one. Suppose Otonu. Otonu দত্ত। অতনুর বয়স কত? 35। অতনু 1। অতনুর হাইট কত? 166.0। অতনুর ওয়েট 65। অতনু 120। So like this way you enter so many data. Is it clear? I am not repeating this one.
No, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next.
So অতনু সবাই পারবে এটা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমি এটাকে লিভ করব।
হ্যাঁ, নেক্সট
আমি ওই ডেটা ফাইলটা খুলছি। আচ্ছা, ওরা কি খুলতে পারবে ডেটা ফাইল?
আমি সবাইকে দেওয়া
ফাইল ফরওয়ার্ড করেছো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দেওয়া আছে সবাইকে।
ওপেন হয়েছে স্যার।
কতজনের আছে জিজ্ঞেস করে নাও তো, কতজন খুলতে পারবে?
ওপেন হয়েছে।
ওপেন হয়েছে।
ওপেন হয়েছে।
ওকে,
ডেটা ফাইল ওপেন হয়েছে?
এর ক্ষেত্রে স্যার একটা
ওপেন হয়েছে।
আমি একটু মিস করেছি, ওই এজের ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের এটা কি আসবে ভ্যারিয়েবলসটা স্যার?
এজটাকে তো দুভাবেই দেওয়া যেতে পারে, একটা নিউমেরিক, একটা স্ট্রিং ভ্যারিয়েবল। স্ট্রিং মানে ক্যারেক্টার যেটা।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
আচ্ছা, আমি যদি নিউমেরিক দিই তাহলে এই যে যেমন ভাবে পুট করেছি না,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে 1 2 দিয়ে তাড়াতাড়ি আমার ডেটাটা এন্ট্রি করা যাবে।
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ, নলে আমার
আর যদি আমি মেল লিখতে যাই, ফিমেল লিখতে যাই, টাইমটা একটু বেশি লাগবে।
আচ্ছা, নিউমেরিক দিলে কিন্তু
সেই জন্য এটাকে
পয়েন্টে
নিউমেরিক,
আসছে।
হ্যাঁ নিউমেরিক লিখে মেল ফিমেল ওখানে একটা মেনশন করে দিতে হবে। আমি দেখাচ্ছি আবার।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ওটা
check here.
মিস করে গেছি
এই যে হ্যাঁ, এই যে সেক্স হিয়ার আমি এখানে দিয়েছি নিউমেরিক।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
and এইখানে check this
1.0
way. Yes,
আচ্ছা,
values
আচ্ছা,
is here. I
হ্যাঁ,
put here 1 means male, 2 means female.
ওকে 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 স্যার,
Is it
থ্যাংক ইউ
clear?
স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। ইয়েস ইয়েস ইয়েস।
Okay, I leave this part. How to enter data, how to open your file, save tape. This is like same the other files, other packages. Okay, you can save this one like this way. Same things here. Here go to the here file and save is here. Save as and mention anything as you like. This is the same as Excel, Word, like this way. Okay. Now I open my data file. This is my data file. So you will check this one. This is data view and this is the variable view. How many variable is here? $35. So I mentioned some variables. Age here sex here, smoking status here, height, weight, BMI. BMI means body mass index. Achha, BMI category also. This is calculated code and decode. MES means mid upper arm circumference. That is here is this measurement also. Mid upper arm circumference. This is some category also. And this is some another variable. This is food habit. 3 types of food habit: veg, non-veg, and mixed also. I coded here. And here to here, some anthropometric measurements in our body. That is BAD means biacromial diameter, biiliac diameter, anterior posterior chest, TVC means transverse chest, WC means waist circumference, HIP means hip circumference, CC means cuff circumference. And here to here, some skin fold measurements, bicep, tricep, subscapular, like this way. And some blood pressure and some temperature measurement, also blood pressure. This is my variables. This is the anthropometric variables, because I am working in the anthropometric department. So I have collected this data from the field, and I use this one in every workshop, this type of data, okay? And this is very easy for you to understand this one. At first, check this here. There are so many menus here. File, edit, view, data, transform, analysis, direct, graphs, utilities, like this. There are so many analysis here, so many options is here also. First, I go to the edit. Edit means everything is okay, like same to the other packages, like Excel, and Word, like this way. You can check this one. I am not going to the details this part. View also same things. I am here in data part. I am here data part. So you can check, there are so many options here. Define variable properties, copy data properties, like this way. First, I am showing very important parts here. Just split case, split file. What is the meaning of the split file? It means separate. On which basis? Separation on which basis? This is my data set. I can separate this file on the basis of variables. On the basis of variables. So I show you one, just click here, split file. Okay. Then compare groups. Suppose I put here sex. Sex here, male and female. Why I put here sex? I put here sex means my data set splitted by 2 parts. One part should be male, one part should be female. And all the analysis we received from this output, 2 parts, one for male and another for female. So check this one. How? Then okay. Okay. Now I want to check, use any variable, suppose height, weight, anything. I go to the analyze part, and here check there descriptive statistics, and here also descriptive. So here is long boxes here. So you can put here so many variables. All variables should be continuous or numeric, not string variable. So I put here height, and weight. And option is here. There are so many descriptive statistics here: mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, standard error of mean, skewness, kurtosis, as you like. So then okay. This is output file. Check here. This is called output file. You can save this file, or you can copy this one and paste in Word or Excel according to your choice. Okay. Otherwise, you can save this file like this way. Here you save, and extension is here also. Then later you can open this file like other files. Okay. So I splitted my data set, male and female, sex. So male and female. So I got that separate result here. Check this one. There are 193 male and 207 female. In case of male, minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation. In case of female, minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation. So this is the same result. You will get separately. If I not consider the split case, I got the total results like this one. I again check this one. I go to the again split case, and now reset is here. You always do reset, then okay. Again I go to the analysis and descriptive, and this one, and okay. Check this one. So here is no separate. Here is separate male and female, but here is based on the 400 observations, sample size, and here is separate. So this is the difference between two. So here is two categories, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 categories here. Then you get the separate result, separate analysis also. And again I put another, I put here only one variables. Compare, I put here only one variables. Again I put here smoking also. Then okay. Again descriptive, check this one, then okay. So check here. First one, male, then smoking, yes or no. So first divided male and female. Within male, again divided smoking status, yes or no, and female smoking status, yes or no. So you will get difference. So here is 71, here is 122, here is 108, here is 99. So you will get the descriptive statistics like this way. You can put another variables also. So according to your choice, you can analyze this one. This is the split case. Any problem for this one, you can ask me, okay? Because I go to the next step. Otonu?
স্যার বলুন।
হ্যাঁ, কেউ কিছু বলবার আছে যদি এটা বুঝতে না পারে?
No question. Do you have any question? No, sir. You please go. Go on.
No question. Okay.
তাই বলছি যে একবার স্প্লিট করার পরে আপনি যখন আবার সেই ডেটাটাকে আগের অবস্থায় ফিরিয়ে আনলেন, ওই স্টেপটা আরেকবার দেখাবেন?
হ্যাঁ, আমি একটু বলে দিচ্ছি।
মানে মার্চ করার জন্য।
আচ্ছা, কি সবাই কি বাঙালি?
Oh, sir.
Some of them are
outside Bengal.
Some of them outside Bengal.
Please speak in English for them.
Okay, no problem. So if you do not reset this one, by default this one, so further analysis always the split case. Okay, you will get the split result. Suppose I need this part only, then I in further analysis I got based on the total samples. So always reset this one after the operation of the item. Okay, So I am showing you again.
Split and reset.
Split and split.
Reset.
This here, if you don't the reset case, again suppose I keep this one, and again further analysis you will get this one always. Suppose frequency you will get like this way, BMI category. Check this one. So like this way, BMI frequency category also. So by default this one. So I need reset, split case, and here reset also. Then okay. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir, absolutely clear.
Clear, good. Okay. Now I'm going to select case. First one split and second one select. Select, suppose in split case, we are analyzing both sex, male and female, and combined smoking status also. Suppose I want to analyze only for male and those who are smoker. Is it clear? I want to analyze only for male and those who are smoker. So I here put first if condition is satisfied. If condition is satisfied, that means first I select sex equal to 1, sex equal to 1, and smoking status equal to 1. Then continue. Then okay. I check the work site data file. So these are the selected, and in the below these are the cross means unselected. Is it clear? In the data set, cross means not selected. Now again I want to analyze the same thing. Descriptive, again descriptive, and same variables also. Then okay. Check here. Only 71 cases for male and having a smoker. They have minimum, maximum, and mean is here. Standard deviation is here. Is it clear? So this we can put more condition also. That is no problem. This is split and this is select.
Sir, can you please repeat this process once again?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
First come here data, then select case here, and click here if condition is satisfied. This part you click here, highlighted this one, then click if. I again do this part. I reset this one, okay? I reset this one. Okay. If condition is satisfied, then go to the if condition, and I put here sex equal to 1 and smoking status. I change this one. Height, weight, less than equal to 60 kilo, 60.0 kilo. I changed this part also. Okay. Check this one. So I select this data set and now go to the analyze case. Analyze this one, descriptive, and this part also mentioned here. Now, okay. So check here. 175 individually here, minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviations also. Okay. Any problem? Anybody? This part?
No, sir.
I think no problem. Okay. Otonu?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
Proceed next step.
হ্যাঁ, নেক্সট।
Again come at data. Acha. Here is weight case. So weight, you understand weight means weightage. That is some getting advantage or privilege like this way, okay? So in your real life, you check this weightage case. Example, like the example senior citizen. They are getting some advantage like bank interest and railway reservation tickets, like this way. Females also getting some weightage, physical handicap getting some weightage, then general categories, and reservation policy also. Those who are belongs to the reserved category, they get some privilege advantage, then general category. So this is called the weightage. Like this way, in our data set, we put some weightage here. When and why I apply this one is clear. When I apply weight case, this is not essential for everybody. Is it clear? Those who are working in the experimental field, very small data set. Very small data set, you can't analyze the statistical analysis. This is not suitable for statistical analysis. So required some extension data. Okay. So in that case, we use weight case. How to use this one? How to use this one? Suppose I have here, we have 400 data set. Is it clear? So here is not required the weight case because 400 data sufficient for statistical analysis. But instead of 400, if you have 20 or 30 or below 20, then required weight case. And this weight case is very essential for the correspondence analysis. Correspondence analysis, this is very essential. Weight case. Yeah? Any? And another example, suppose hypertension. Those who are suffering hypertension. You are asking 10 questions regarding hypertension. So every question binary answer, yes or no. Is it clear? Suppose whose score is 10 and whose score is 1. The 10 is more severe than first one, So this is more severe case, the getting some weightage for the
আমার
analysis.
স্ক্রিনটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে না,
কোনটা?
স্ক্রিনটা কোনো চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে না কিছু।
না, স্ক্রিন তো চেঞ্জ করিনি আমি এখনো।
ও ঠিক আছে স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
আমি এখন কিছু করি, আমি তো একটু ভুলে যাচ্ছি। শুনতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে তা?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
আমি যখন করিনি, আমি যখন করবো তখন ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। So now I apply weight case. When and why I apply this one, check this one. Okay, I apply weight case. Now weight case, I click here. Here is the check this one. Do not weight case highlighted. I need weight case. দেখো তো একটুখানি এটা। হ্যালো, নীলিমা ফোন করে দেখো। I apply weight case here. So click this one and required frequency variable. I put here age. I put here age. Okay. So age as a weight case in my data set. Then apply. Okay. Now again I go to the analyze, same things. Oh, check here. How many N here? 6,286. But I have originally 400. Is it clear?
Sir, please repeat. I can't hear you. Please repeat, sir.
This part.
Sir.
Observe this one. 600. 6,000.
No, sir. Frequency variable, then come to age, then descriptive. Now.
Oh, I cross this one again. I am doing this. Okay, no problem. Analyze. Just I check one thing. Okay, that select case. Okay, reset. You reset this one because I already selected this one. Is it clear? So you reset this one. Okay. Then okay. Now weight, already mentioned here. Then okay. Now I want to analyze descriptive statistics for same variables. Descriptive. Okay. How much this one? 14,095. N equal to 14,095. Minimum, maximum may be same. This is the mean and this is the standard deviation on the basis of weight case. And what is my original case? I am showing you. What is my original case? Again, come here, weight case, and reset this. Reset. Then okay. So again, I come here, descriptive statistics, and okay. So check here. Here is 400 only, but here is 14,095. How the large number appeared here, but it is not visible in our data set. It is not visible in our data set. Here you observe only 400 only, 400. Check here, only 400. Is it clear? So go to the analysis part. How to learn this number And check here, minimum and minimum same, maximum same. Is there any difference? Here is 34.155.348. Here is 155.323. Very slight difference. Standard deviations also, check this one and both. So if I use weight case, you check this here, result should be same. Result should be same, but it is accessible for statistical analysis, this part. Okay. And how to here, how the number appear here 140. Check here, I go to the data set. Go to the data set. First, in the first individual, check here. I put here age, weight case. Age means first individual 18. Is it clear? So, first observations appear here 18 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 18. This one repeated up to this one. Is it clear? Since its weight is 18. And here is 49. So this item repeated up to 49 times. So after 18, 49 row appear this second column or second row. And 39 times appear third one. 22 appears third one. And if I add all these things, you will get the same result. This one. Okay. You will get the same result. And this is called the, not the simulation. Simulation is another time also. You can do this like simulation also. Okay. So simulation here, we have another option here, bootstrapping. I am going to that, check this one. Descriptive. In the right side, check this one, bootstrap. Perform bootstrap. This is called simulation method to enlarge the data set, data size. Okay. So I have here 1,000. I put here 10,000. Then okay. The same thing, same analysis I am doing. Then okay. Oh, some problem is maybe. Have you got the result? Anybody?
Sir, please repeat the bootstrap portion.
Yeah. Have you got result this part? Check this one, this part. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So check here. In 400, in the case of 400, this mean value, and in the case of 400, this mean value same. Okay. Same thing. And check here, when you use bootstrapping, bias is this. In case of mean, bias is this one, minus 0.005, and standard deviation also minus 0.015. That is near to 0. Is it clear? Similar this one also near to 0. So you check here, in the simulation case and weight case, whichever you use, result should be same. Is it clear? But why I use this one? For enlarging the data set in the special case when we do not analyze the statistical procedure. Okay. And now, when we apply
sir,
weight case.
hello.
Huh?
Sir, I have a question actually.
Yeah.
Sir, the fact, I mean, the exact aim of bootstrapping is still not clear to me. I mean, why do we use bootstrapping?
I'm telling you, there are so many simulation methods here. Okay. First one is Monte Carlo, bootstrapping, randomness, like this way. But in the SPSS, bootstrapping is available here. So bootstrapping based on the probability. You draw the 10,000 sample based on probability. But weight case, this is not based on the probability. Difference between two.
Okay.
This is not
Okay,
based
sir.
on the probability, but bootstrapping based on the sample size drawn from the population based on the probability. And when the difference between two, when you use weight case, some sample appear, not some sample, this one. When you use weight case, this sample appears 18 times, not 19, not below 18. Exactly appear as 18 times. This is appear exactly 49 times, not less, greater and below. Okay, like this way, according to weight case. But when we use the simulation case, this sample, when you use the simulation case, this sample maybe appear 1 time or 10 times or 100 times or 1,000 times, because this is based on the probability. Is it clear? So, any question? So this part is like near to 0. That is the unbiased estimator. Okay. Near to 0 means this is unbiased also. Anybody, any question regarding this one?
Please, at least one participant may write no or yes in chat. Just to, sir will follow that. There is no question, please write no. Or if you have question, please write yes.
Yes, sir. It is. This is very much understandable.
What was?
Sir, I have one question.
No question. No question.
No question.
No.
No, sir, I have yes one question. Sir,
So-
it's not audible. Audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, if you put the number of samples 10,000 for the
Yeah.
bootstrapping,
Yeah.
what is the actual meaning of 10,000? I may put 1,000.
No. No, this is the arbitrary number. This is required according to you, not for, I am putting here arbitrary number also. Okay, and not 10,000, you can put 1 lakhs also, that is no problem. Okay.
So, sir, I want to know the actual meaning of this 1,000 or 10,000.
Now, I am telling you first, if you have small data set, suppose you are doing experimental work. I have no board here. Board is your, okay, just 1 minute. এটা কি দেখা যাবে?
স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা একটু অফ করুন, তাহলে দেখা যাবে।
হ্যাঁ
কোনটা?
স্যার দেখা যাবে,
স্ক্রিন
এমনিও
শেয়ারটা
দেখা
অফ
যাবে,
করুন, স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা অফ
শেয়ারটা
করে
করবো?
দেন। হ্যাঁ
এমনিও দেখা যাবে।
স্টপ শেয়ারটা করে দিয়া।
হুম।
এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখা যাবে।
দেখা যাচ্ছে?
একটু 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 ক্যামেরাটা উঠান।
দাদা ও
হ্যাঁ স্যার এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
পুরোটা দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ
হুম
স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
দেখা যাচ্ছে।
দেখা যাচ্ছে তো?
হুম।
আচ্ছা আমি একটা এক্সপেরিমেন্টাল দিই কেন ওয়েট কেস ইউজ করছি সেটার জন্য। একটা মানে যারা এক্সপেরিমেন্টাল কাজকর্ম করে বা যারা ল্যাবে কাজ করে বা যারা ওই বোটানি কাজ করে ল্যাবে ট্যাবে, আমি একটা সেরকম একটা এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি, তাহলে ব্যাপারটা আরো ক্লিয়ার হবে। ওকে, সাপোজ 1 2 3 4 plots. 4 plots here. I put here some seeds. Suppose here 26, here 36, here 46, here 56. Is it clear? Now, after maturity, this crop, I got some production. Suppose this one, X1, this is X2, this is X3, this is X4. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
So let's take this one. 1 2 3 4, only 4 data. Can I analyze this one? I got here only mean also, mean and SD. There are so many parameters also maybe, but your data set 1 2 3 4 only. So we can't analyze this one. We get only mean value and standard deviation and no more. Now I want to analyze this one. How? So suppose this is frequency, weight case, W weight case. I use this one. So if I use this one, 20 X1 appears here. X1, again X1, again X1, again it's up to 20. Here up to 30, X2 30, here 40, like this way, and 50 like this way. So how many row here? How many data here? 20, 50, 50, 90, and 140. So 140. So instead of 4, I got 140. So I can analyze this one like this weight case, and you will get that this mean and this mean should be same. And further you can proceed this one in statistical analysis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And instead of this, you can use simulation method. You can put here instead of 140, you can put here 200 and 300 and 400 also. That is no problem. Okay.
Okay.
So in this way, we can use weight case and these are the sort case, means you can sort ascending order, descending order, variable also. This is sort according to the alphabetically. This is not important for this one, analyzing this one. Okay. So I go to the next steps also. Transform. transform first appear here, compute variable. Compute means suppose we have in our data set some variables. Using these variables, we create another new variable. Using these variables, we create another new variable. Suppose BMI, we calculate this one. Body mass index, how to calculate this one. Or how to log transform any variable, continuous variable, okay? So I am showing this one by one. Compute. So target variable means new variable. So I write here log underscore HT. HT mean height. I need the log transformation of height variable. So I mention it on HT. Okay. How to calculate? In the right side, there is arithmetic here. And check here, log base 10. Click here. Then in the arrow here, again click this one. And question marks here. Which variable you want to log transformation? From the right side box, I want to this one. And put here. Then check, okay. Then okay. So this will appear in the worksheet, not in the output file, because all values need to log transformation. So this will appear in the worksheet file. So I check the worksheet file. Check here. This is computed variable. And this is the log values. These are the log values. Okay. Now I compute another formula. You are so in the subject of geography, so many indexes here also. I think I know that. I forget the name also, but I have calculated so many index here using this formula, using this computation method. Okay, you compute here. Here the name of the index, then put here formula. I need reset here. Okay, so I calculate again BMI. So BMI 1. I put here 1 because already BMI is there. So repeat name is no duplicate name is not considered. So I put here BMI 1. So what is the formula BMI 1? Weight by height in terms of meter square. The weight in kg, okay, no problem. Divided by, divided means this part, this symbol is divided. Oh. Weight by height square. Weight by height. Height divided by 100, because this is the centimeter, need meter. Square. Square means this part. This is the exponential part. I put here 2. Okay. This is exponential, that means power. So weight by height square. Is it clear? Then okay. Again go to the data set. Check here, BMI1, this one. Okay. So I have already BMI here also. BMI 16.83. I have calculated this one earlier, 16.83, and here is also 16.83. Okay. So, like this way, you can compute different type of index, different type of variables. All functions should be arithmetical process. Arithmetical process. Any question? Hello?
No, sir, no.
No.
No question. Okay. I'm here. Code into same variable, recode into defined variable. Same things, but 2 items is here. We are always use this part, defined variable, not in the same variable. Why not the same variable? Suppose if I code this variable, the coded value appear in this column. So the original value should be vanished. Okay. If I use defined variable, this should be intact and another variable appear here. So when you need this one, you can use this one. When you need this one, you can use this one. So any one you can use. Okay, but if you use same variable, your original variable should be lost. So you cannot recover this one. So always use defined variables. So how to use recode? Okay. Age is here. Age variable is here. So this is the continuous variable, and so many values is here. So many defined values is here. I need this one 4 groups. 4 groups. Suppose below 30, below 20 years of age, group 1, I say younger group. 25 to 35, this is second group. 35 to 45, this is third group. And greater than 45, this is last group. So why require this one? I have the original value here. So why we get this one? When you analyze the ANOVA, MANOVA like this way, or compare the mean t-test, then we get this type of categorical variable. Then we get the report variable, very small categories. This is called category. Okay. Category 1, age category 1, age category 2, age category 3, age category 4, age category, like this way. So how to compute this one? I put here age, numeric variable, output variable. So output variable, that means new variable. I put here age category. Age underscore C. That means age category. You can write the label here also, complete name, age category. Then change. Yeah. And here option here, old and new values. Old and new values. But again here, if condition is satisfied, suppose you select something, only for male, only for female, only for male and smoker, then use the select case like this part. In previous we have done this one, okay? But I need all these values. So first go to the old. Now check here in the left side, old value, in the right side new value. And there are so many options here. System missing. System missing means if here is any drop is here, dot is here, no number is there. No number is there, that is called system missing or user missing. Range also. Range means from this to this. I want to report from this to this. Suppose 30 to 40. I need one group. So you meet here, then put here 40 and put here 50. Is it clear? And range, lowest throw. Lowest throw means less than equal to. Range throw highest, that means greater than equal to, and other things. So here we put range lowest throw. That means how much? 25. 25. Is it clear? And up to 25, I put here 1. Then add. So what is the meaning of this term? That means whose age 25, he or she is coded 1. Whose age 24, he or she is coded 1. Whose age 20 also, he is coded 1. Okay. Now this is up to 25. That means less than equal to 35. 25. Now range. That means 26 to 35, 40, maybe 40. Up to 26 to 40, I put here 2. And 41 to 55, I put here 3. And highest 56, I put here. So, is it clear? Then continue. Then okay. Again, go to the workshop data set. Go to the right side. Check here. 132. 132. So first one, coded one. I'm sure that this person age less than 25. Check this one. This person age less than 25. That is 28, 18. And this is